Hey guys, how's it going? I figured I'd make a short video about one of the things that we like to look at, VWAP, anchored VWAP, volume weighted average price. As you know, we like to be in stocks that are very in their strong, it's in their prime, really performing very well. Like here you see these green bars. This is what we want to be looking for. Everything is above average here with the volume here below, and the stock rockets higher and it goes above the 10 and 20 day, which here also crossed over, right? This is where the 10 and 20 day cross. The 10 goes above the 20 and it rockets higher. You get first the price was stuck below the 20 day, and then it goes in this candle here, the green candle, it goes above both and it starts rallying like crazy. It goes up like 150% or whatever it amounts to. But so we use technical patterns, we use volume, we use price. That 10 and 20 day exponential moving average is what we like to use for to find our strongest of stocks and ride them. It helps with the entries, the exits, a lot of stuff. But what I wanted to touch on today is the anchored VWAP, and this is like the um, the average paid price pretty much from a certain point on. So I like to put it at special dates, like for instance earnings, or when a special news release came out, big news came out, or the top of a stock price, or the bottom. Let's put it at both the bottom and the top here. Let's start with the top. And here one at the bottom candle. And as you can see here, it's very clear. The purple line here is the top VWAP. It touches here, it tries to go above it here, the price, it fails. Here, again, it fails. Here also, it keeps it in the descending trend. So this is another bullish stock here at this point. You can tell VWAP descending and the price keeps trying to get above it, but failing. So then it gets below the bottom VWAP, testing it here, going higher first, then goes below it, and then it tests it as resistance here, as you can tell, and also still below it. So, of course, everything's rallying now because of the government reopening. So this might very well recover and go back into this range here today, which is what I'm expecting pretty much. But I just wanted to show you guys that these are also indicators that we like to use, one of the very, very few, because this is just a matter of, price and volume. So this is not like some fancy pants indicator that, doesn't really do much other than leave you confused. We like to have few things on our screen. We don't want clutter and confusion, as we like to call it. But the VWAP, the anchored VWAP, certainly helps. It's not always on the screen. You need to manually adjust it. But as you can tell, it really does its work, and people should really use it. It's free on TradingView as well, so I really encourage people to look into that, because it really tells you something about what's going on underneath the hood of the market, so to speak. So that's a short video here, 3 minutes and 40 seconds in. I'm not going to make it longer than that. That's not really needed at this point. I'll be uploading more often, once a week at least. There will be some nice content coming up, where we'll be launching the premium tier later on this year as well. The first 50 to get in will be able to use the first 50 code to get the first month for $1. So I mean, it's basically free if you're with the first 50, and then after that, it's only $20 a month. So that's not that much more, not at all. We are very competitively priced, and we're really looking to see you aboard, to for you to join our community and see that what we're up to, and help you with playing these breakouts to the max. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.